All right, let's move on. After former Pakistan President Pervez Musharraf's sensational interview exposing Islamabad's support to terror outfits, NSA Ajit Doval has taken a jibe at Islamabad. Doval has said that people are like the heroes they worship. The National Security Advisor remark has come in response to Musharraf's interview, in which he said that Osama and 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed are Pakistani heroes. Musharraf, in his interview, admitted that Pakistan trained and created anti-India terror groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba. He also said that Pakistan has been training and arming terrorists against India. These admissions not only expose the lies that Pakistan is trying to spread in various international forums, but also have the potential to isolate Pakistan on a global stage.
जनरल मुशर्रफ ने कहा कि उनके हीरो लादेन और सब उन्होंने तैयार किया सर। जैसे हीरो होंगे वैसे
हम सबको पता है ना इन चीज़ों के बारे में। आज वो उसको मान रहे हैं तो उसमें नई क्या चीज़ है? वो उसी चीज़ को मान रहे हैं जो कि हो रही है, जिसके बारे में हम लोगों को पता है। मान रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है। अल्लाह उनकी देखभाल करेगा कि सच बोल रहे हैं कभी तो आकर।
इशू देखो, माहौल इधर 1979 से बहुत तब्दील होता चला रहा है। एक रिलीजियस मिलिटेंसी हमने पाकिस्तान के हक में यहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस की सोवियट्स को निकालने के लिए। ठीक है, हम मुजाहिदीन लाए पूरी दुनिया से, हमने तालिबान को ट्रेन किया, उन्हें वेपन्स दिए, उनको अंदर भेजा। वो हमारे हीरो थे। ठीक है, ये जो हक्कानी है हीरो है हमारा जी। ठीक है, 80s का हीरो है। बिल्कुल, ओसामा बिन लादेन हमारा हीरो था, CIA का भी था शायद। यस, ये ज़वाहिरी हमारा हीरो था। तो माहौल अलग था, अब माहौल तब्दील हो गया। अब वो हीरो जो है वो विलेन बन गए। बुरी तरह से इंडियन आर्मी ने मारा, वो भागकर पाकिस्तान आ गए। अब पाकिस्तान में फिर उनको हीरो रिसेप्शन दी गई, उनकी बिल्कुल ट्रेनिंग भी होती थी और हम उनके सपोर्ट में थे कि ये मुजाहिदीन हैं जो इंडियन आर्मी से लड़ेंगे अपने हकूक के लिए।
Well, meanwhile, left completely red-faced by Musharraf's interview, Pakistan's High Commission to India, Abdul Basit, dodged queries of the media, understandably so. Take a listen.
It's time to be here, and I'm really feeling delighted to be here in this cosmopolitan city, and looking forward to a very useful and interesting visit. I will talk about these issues later.
I want to cut across to our senior editor, Gaurav Sawant, who's joining us on the phone line with the very latest on that story. Gaurav, understandably, the Pakistan High Commissioner wants to completely keep away from the comments of Musharraf. But when you put it all in perspective, it might be, you know, for an audience to embarrass Pakistan where Musharraf is concerned. But in doing so, he's clearly blown the lid, especially when he was in power. Right now, he might be considered, you know, at the fringe. But when he was in power, on what exactly happened?
Pervez Musharraf was one of the architects not just of the Kargil war but also spreading terror across India. So while he may have moved forward on a Kashmir peace plan with Manmohan Singh as Prime Minister, the Pakistan Army and the ISI was constantly spreading terror in India and harming Indian interests in Afghanistan. Pervez Musharraf is just telling the Pakistani audience how Pakistan, which was paid to spread terror across Afghanistan and India, is now paying for its sins with blood. Why, you know, but his approach is still very selective. While he is talking about how Osama bin Laden is no longer their hero, he was their hero when they were fighting the Soviet Union in Afghanistan, then Soviet Union in Afghanistan. He's very clearly not saying that arrest Hafiz Mohammad Saeed. He refuses to comment on terrorists like Hafiz Mohammad Saeed and Maulana Masood Azhar of Jaish-e-Mohammed, who happen to be sword arms of the Pakistan Army, despite JEM having tried to target Pervez Musharraf himself. So it's a very, very, you know, Pakistan is caught in its own web. And as Hillary Clinton, you know, she had very clearly said, you can't keep snakes in your backyard and expect them to bite only your neighbors.
Appreciate you joining us, Gaurav. What we will do is come back for more on that story. With that, slipping into a quick break to stay with us. News and updates continue on the other side. We're back.